If your split AC brand is not listed in our Auto IR library, you will need to learn all your split AC codes one by one using the TIS IR Learner. Connect your IR Learner USB to your PC. In the software, select the module with the IR emitter from the list and double-click it. Go to the Auto IR Emitter tab. In AC Target, select Auto Patch A, then press Save. In the Upload Code to Current IR section, click Learn IR. Then you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Select the COM port assigned to your USB IR Learner. Step 2. Press Ready for Learn the Code. You will notice the IR Learner device LED stay steadily on. Step 3. Hold your AC remote close to the IR Learner window and learn the first code, for example AC on. Once the code is learned successfully, you will see the code appear in the window. Step 4. Test the learned code by pressing Try. Point the IR Learner window toward the split AC and press Try to check if the AC responds. If the AC does not react, you will need to repeat Step 3. Step 5. If the code works correctly, upload it to your computer database. For the first time learning this AC brand and model, press Device Setup, type the device brand and model, then press Save. Select the device, type a comment for the code, and then press Upload to database. Repeat the same steps for all other functions such as Power Off, Cool 18, Cool 19, and so on. Important notes. Split AC use different codes for each setting, even if controlled by the same physical button. The AC sends the code that matches what appears on its LCD screen. For example, AC on and AC off are different codes even if they share the same button. Cool 18, Cool 19, Cool 20 all have different codes. Cool 18 and Heat 18 are different. Fan speed levels each have different codes. So you must learn all codes and upload them one by one to the database. After learning all codes, close the window and enter your IR input numbers. From IR numbers 10 to 70, upload each code to its corresponding slot. For example, IR number 10 is reserved for AC off. Select IR 10 and in the Upload Code section choose the device and the code, then press Upload Code. You can test it by pressing Send IR Now. Continue selecting each IR number and uploading its related code until all codes are assigned. You can also select another TIS device with an IR emitter in a different room and upload the same database to it. You can back up your IR codes and use them on another computer, so you don't need to learn all codes again for future projects. To back up, go to Learn IR Code, then click Data Backup and Restore. Select the AC brand or select all, click Save As, choose the location, name the file, and press Save. To assign codes to a TIS panel, for example, the TITANIA panel, go to the Air Condition tab, select the AC number, name, and room, then press Save. Under AC Type Setting, select Learn IR Type, choose Auto Patch A, enter the subnet and device ID of your IR emitter device, then press Save. Make sure to disable automatic control. You can test the AC from the software under the AC Status section, or directly from the AC page on your panel.